What's going on, everyone? In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the mass drop, or drop as it is now, mechanical keyboard. This is the control keyboard. Let's take a look, see what's inside. This is going to be my first kind of level entry to a custom mechanical keyboard. As you can see, I got some extra switches in here with which ones are this. This is the Gatoron's clear mechanical switches. I'm gonna be eventually replacing these stock ones with this ones, and maybe trying out the which ones are this ones. Can't remember which ones are these. Hold on one second. I'll tell you right now. I forgot what the name of these is. They don't. It comes in a little pouch, but this is what they look like. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of modding with this particular keyboard. But let's see what's actually inside this box and what Drop sends us with their keyboards. You're gonna need a little bit more space, so we're gonna put the camera on the side for now. Okay. So excited, man. It's gonna be my first true custom mechanical keyboard that I am going to be able to update myself. So the first thing that you're going to be greeted on once you open the box is going to be the drop control setting guide for this keyboard, and there's a bunch of shortcuts that you can potentially do to either change the pattern of your RGB lighting, which is pretty awesome. But we're going to take a look at that in a little bit, so we're going to put that on the side. Although the packaging is very plain and simple, it comes with this little foam on top to prevent from the keyboard bouncing all over the place and, you know, getting damaged in the shipping process. But I like the fact that it comes with this kind of silk strap for you to get it out, so because, you know, you kind of be fishing to get it out of there and stuff like that. So let's take a look at this. I gotta say, guys, this keyboard, it's a heavy keyboard. I have other mechanical keyboards. I have the Corsair K70 and the K95, and this, even though it's keyless, it's a lot heavier than those keyboards, which I kind of like it though. You know, this is the high one, not the low profile one. As you can see, it's a little bit taller, a little bit chunkier. So we're gonna just leave that on the side for now. I like the fact that it's full made of metal. As you can see, it's aluminum, if I'm not mistaken. But let's put the keyboard on the side for now. We're gonna talk about what's inside this box, okay? Once you remove the first layer, there's really nothing else underneath there. Just put that on the side. You get this keycap puller, right? Kind of like flimsy, nothing too crazy, right? Oh, and it has a screwdriver underneath, so very nice, very thoughtful. It's like 2-in-1. Look at you, mass drop, very nice. I like that. You also get this. I believe this is a switch puller, so just in case you want to upgrade, which we will be changing our stuff to this one and testing the sound. Very nice. You also get this USB-A to USB-C cable. Very nice. I don't know how long this is, but let's take a look at it. Since I will be ordering some custom cables from Mass Drop and other brands, this will not be used. I'll say about 4 feet, you know, end to end, 4 feet, right? How useful could this be? I don't know. I can use it for my PS5 though. That's what we're gonna be used for. Anyways, let's put this on the side for now, since there's really nothing else in here though. All right. So let's put the cable away, because we're not gonna need it. I gotta tell you guys, this keyboard feels really nice. I like the fact that it has 2 USB-Cs on the back of it. So just in case your computer is really far away, you can plug it in either way to route your cables out to the side, so you don't have to be struggling with that. The back of it, it has the drop, and it says control, CTRL control, and it gives you a little bit of information about this particular keyboard and the FCC product information. It has a couple of screws for you to remove it if you want to. I am not going to be doing the swapping anything out of the keyboard itself because I don't really need to do that. What I will be doing is switching the switches and testing them out, see which one sounds nicer. I will give you a little bit of sound test and see how it sounds once it's plugged in with the USB cable, and you let me know what you guys think about this. But I'm really excited about this, guys. It's pretty awesome. So we're gonna take a look at the sound test on this keyboard itself. Let's do that. Okay guys, so we are going to do the sound test on the drop control keyboard. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so that was a sound test of this particular keyboard. I gotta tell you, man, it feels really awesome to type in this keyboard. I like the tactile switches, not the tactile switches. This has Kale white switches inside. They sound really, really good though. So, but I will be switching them to something like this and see how what type of sound profiles I get once I switch them out. I will stay tuned. If you'd like to see this video for future content, just subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. Until the next video, guys, stay safe, be well. See ya.